Sharia banks are banks that operate based on Sharia principle guided by the Al-Quran and Hadith. The aim of Sharia banks is to direct economic activities, such as not using an interest system, a profit sharing or nisbah system, as well as a prohibition on investing in haram business.
How to strengthening Sharia banking to create a prosperous financial in future?
BSI or Bank Syariah Indonesia, as a larger Islamic banking industry in Indonesia, has faced several significant challenges. One of them is a threat to data security, which is exemplified by data information of the customer leaks due to hacker attack. Furthermore, BSI has faced a significant liquidity risk. It's caused by a large-scale potential by a customer withdrawals. We can identify the technological and the liquidity risk as a financial risk of this industry. So the first is technological risk, including the data security, and the second one is liquidity risk. It's caused by the GWM, or we can say a minimum mandatory of deposit. So what we supposed to do? The first is holistic management risk, and the second one is adaptive management, and the third one is invest in higher technological industry, and the last one is real-time monitoring and predictive analysis.
In general, Sharia banks receive strong support from countries with large Muslim population, such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. Meanwhile, in non-Muslim countries, Sharia banks is still in its development stage. The reason some countries have not adopted Sharia banking are strict regulation, lack of demand, limited public awareness and perception, and the dominance of the conventional banking system. The first is to increase financial inclusion. For example, financing from Sharia banks for small and medium enterprises or UKM helps create jobs and encourage economic growth. The second is economic development. The involvement of Sharia banks in financing long-term infrastructure projects can create a sustainable financial ecosystem. And the last one is the role in global financial market. Sharia banks are increasingly integrated with the global financial system, thereby contributing to the stability of international financial market.
With the large market potential of Muslim majority community in Indonesia and collaboration with other sectors, Islamic banking is optimistic that will continue to grow and make an important contribution to the country's economy. Also, ethical and fair principle by not using usury, ghar and masyar are the advantage of Sharia banking compared to conventional banking. So, this system enforces fair distribution of profits and check investment only on halal assets and sectors, and is supervised by Sharia Supervisory Board to comply with the Sharia principle. So, what should Sharia banking do to strengthen the Sharia banking system to create financial prosperity in the future? First, Sharia financial education and literacy.
Increasing Sharia financial literacy in society further strengthens its position through education about the principle and benefits of Sharia banking. This can be done through education programs, seminars, and information campaigns.
Second, product and services innovation.
With strong regulatory support, Islamic banking continues to develop, creating opportunities for economic prosperity. Developing products and services that suit the needs of modern society, such as digital banking, inclusive financial services, and Sharia investment products. Applying the latest technologies such as fintech to improve services access and efficiency.
Third, strengthen the regulation and supervision.
Sharia banking in Indonesia shows significant growth supported by conducive government regulation and policies. Collaborate with financial authorities to strengthen regulation that support the stability and growth of Sharia banking. Increase transparency and accountability through strict audits and effective supervision.
Fourth, collaboration and synergy.
Participate in sustainable and Sharia-based economic development projects. Establish partnership with various parties such as financial institutions, government and the private sector to expand the reach and impact of Sharia banking service, as well as developing inclusive product and service to reach various levels of society, including micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMs, which tend to be more stable because they are not involved in interest-based speculative transactions, making it an attractive choice for customers who want a fair financial system, ethical and stable.
And the last one is commitment to Sharia principle.
Compliance with Sharia principle ensures safe and responsible investment, supporting financial stability. Implement good governance and business ethics in accordance with Sharia values by maintaining a strong commitment to Sharia principle in all aspects of banking operation and products.
With a system based on ethics and justice,
Sharia banking is not financially profitable,
but also build long-term prosperity for the entire community.